Welcome to the Canada Immigration Pathways YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of obtaining an Educational Credential Assessment ECA from WES for your Canadian immigration application. To begin, please visit the wes.org website and proceed to create an account. This account has been created for illustrative purposes only, so please refrain from attempting to locate any Ivanovic on social media. Instead, kindly input your own information and select No for the question, as we do not possess a WES number. You need to fill all the information correctly, otherwise, it is hard to change after you send your application. The evaluation process typically takes approximately 35 business days, but in my situation, it concluded in under a month. Please provide your highest level of education. If it does not appear automatically, you can manually enter your school information. Let's add a random university for Anna. Country Turkey. Type of education: higher education. Name of the institution: Istanbul University. Name of diploma: Bachelor of Arts. First and last name. Field of study: economy. Double-check the information you put. When you save the information, you will see your institution on the next step. World Education Service will provide you with an online outcome report and a physical mailed copy. Therefore, it is essential to furnish your complete address within Canada. I will insert a fictional address in this space for illustrative purposes only. Please ensure that you input your accurate and valid address. At the bottom of this page, you'll find the question regarding your preferred method of report delivery upon completion: standard mail via Canada Post at a cost of $11 or next day delivery for $26 within Canada. You can access a summary of your service, including the ECA report in PDF format, online. WES will then transmit the report directly to Work Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada. You will also receive an official paper report through postal mail. Additional shipping and handling fees apply, as shown on the previous page. WES will securely store your report and verified transcripts for future reference. The standard processing time to receive a completed WES evaluation report is 35 business days after receipt, review and approval of all documents, and payment in full. If additional research, correspondence or verification is required, the evaluation will take longer. Let's discuss the necessary documents for WES. To start, you'll need to submit your academic transcript in English. Many universities have partnered with WES, allowing them to electronically send your transcript directly to WES. If your university has such an arrangement, rest assured that WES has already provided instructions to your university officials. To find out if this option is available to you, please contact your university. Alternatively, you can obtain an official English academic transcript enclosed in a sealed envelope. You'll find an image of what this should look like at the end of the video. When you're ready to send it to WES, make sure to use the WES number you receive after submitting your application, and you can send it yourself. You can upload clear and legible copy of the degree certificate or diploma in My Account, or you need to send photocopy of your degree certificate or diploma with the other required document. You need to write WES number on the envelope. You will see the mail and courier address on the screen. Please ensure that you exclusively submit documents in English. WES does not offer translation services, and any non-English documents will result in the rejection of your application. To meet this requirement, you can utilize one of our authorized translation services. Remember, it's essential to send both the original documents and their translations together. Take a moment to review your information one last time. If you find any missing or incorrect details, it's crucial to correct them now. Delaying this could lead to complications later on. After confirming your information, the next screen will prompt you to make your payment. Once payment is complete, you will get a WES number. You will use that number if you send the documents by yourself. Make sure to note down your password and user ID for future reference, as they will allow you to track your evaluation. We appreciate you tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing to our Canada Immigration Pathways YouTube channel. Thank you.